Buying the right ticket.
Emma arrives at the busy station. She must get to Oxford for an important interview, but she is not sure which ticket to buy.
I need a ticket to Oxford. My interview is at 12.
I can help. What time do you want to arrive?
Before 11:30, please. I cannot be late.
Let us check the trains now.
Question. What will Emma and Daniel probably do next? A. They will wait for a taxi outside. B. They will leave the station without a ticket. C. They will check the train times on the machine. C. They will check the train times on the machine.
Oh, the direct train is cancelled.
Cancelled? That is a problem.
There is another train, but you change at Reading.
Can I still arrive on time?
Question. What will Daniel probably check next? A. He will cancel Emma's interview. B. He will check if the change still gets Emma there on time. C. He will tell Emma to go home. B. He will check if the change still gets Emma there on time.
Yes. You arrive at 11:15.
Good. I will take that train.
You need a single ticket today.
Okay. But my card sometimes does not work.
Question. What problem will probably happen next? A. Daniel will lose his uniform. B. Emma's card will not work at the machine. C. The station will close for the day. B. Emma's card will not work at the machine.
It says payment failed.
Do not worry. The ticket counter is open.
Is the line long?
A little, but I know a faster counter.
Finding the platform.
Emma gets her ticket at the counter. Now she and Daniel must find the correct platform before the train leaves.
I have the ticket now. Where is the platform?
Let me see the board. Oxford, 10:40.
I do not see a number.
The platform is not ready yet.
Question. What will they probably do while they wait for the platform number? A. They will throw the ticket away. B. They will ask at the information desk. C. They will choose a random platform. B. They will ask at the information desk.
Listen. They are making an announcement.
I heard platform 5. Or was it platform 9?
It was platform 5, but let us confirm it.
Please. The speaker was not clear.
Question. How will Daniel probably help Emma next? A. He will speak louder than the announcement. B. He will ask Emma to guess again. C. He will write the platform number on her ticket. C. He will write the platform number on her ticket.
Here. Platform 5 is on the left.
Thank you. How much time do we have?
About 8 minutes. We should move now.
8 minutes? My suitcase is heavy.
Question. What obstacle will they probably find on the way? A. Daniel will forget where platform 5 is. B. The escalator to the platforms will be closed. C. Emma will decide to buy a new suitcase. B. The escalator to the platforms will be closed.
Oh no, the escalator is closed.
There is a lift near the stairs.
Will it be fast enough?
I hope so. Let us hurry.
On the platform.
Emma and Daniel reach the lift, but the station is crowded. They must choose the quickest way to platform 5.
The lift line is very long.
Yes. The stairs may be faster.
Can you help me with the suitcase?
Of course. We can carry it together.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will wait in the lift line for an hour. B. They will carry the suitcase up the stairs. C. They will leave the suitcase behind. B. They will carry the suitcase up the stairs.
We made it. Is this my train?
Wait. This train goes to Bristol.
Bristol. I almost got on it.
Let us check the small screen here.
Question. What will they probably check next? A. Emma will board the Bristol train. B. They will check the platform screen for the Oxford train. C. Daniel will buy another ticket. B. They will check the platform screen for the Oxford train.
Your train is delayed 10 minutes.
10 minutes? My interview is close.
You may still arrive on time.
I should call the office, but my phone is low.
Question. What will Daniel probably suggest next? A. He will suggest turning the phone off forever. B. He will suggest charging the phone in the waiting room. C. he will suggest buying a new phone. B. He will suggest charging the phone in the waiting room. There are sockets in the waiting room.
Good. I need to call them now.
Stay near the door. We must hear announcements.
Okay, but I hope the platform does not change. A sudden change.
In the waiting room, Emma charges her phone and tries to stay calm. Then a new announcement changes their plan.
The phone is charging. I feel better.
Good. Call the office quickly.
I will say my train is delayed.
Wait. I hear another announcement.
Question. What will probably happen in the announcement? A. The Oxford train will move to another platform. B. The cafe will give free coffee. C.
The station will play music.
A. The Oxford train will move to another platform.
The Oxford train is now on platform 3.
Platform 3? We are on 5.
We can cross the bridge. Come on.
I am ready. I have my phone and ticket.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will wait for the train on platform 5. B. They will hurry toward the bridge to platform 3. C. They will stay in the waiting room. B. They will hurry toward the bridge to platform 3.
Do we have enough time?
5 minutes. Keep walking.
Wait, where is my scarf?
I see it in the waiting room.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will sit down on the bridge. B. He will run back and get Emma's scarf. C. He will tell Emma to forget her ticket. B. He will run back and get Emma's scarf.
Here is your scarf. We still have time.
Thank you. I was worried.
Now we need carriage B.
Where is carriage B on the platform? Boarding the train.
Emma and Daniel reach platform 3. The Oxford train is arriving, but Emma still has to find the right carriage and board safely.
Carriage B is at the front of the train.
That is far. The train is coming.
Walk fast, but do not run.
Okay, please stay with me.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will walk quickly to carriage B. B. They will wait at the back of the train. C. They will leave the platform. A. They will walk quickly to carriage B.
The scanner is not reading my ticket.
Let me see. The barcode is folded.
Can we fix it?
Yes. Smooth the paper and try again.
Question. What will Emma probably do next? A. She will throw the ticket on the floor. B. She will smooth the ticket and scan it again. C. She will ask for a train to Bristol. B. She will smooth the ticket and scan it again.
It worked. The light is green.
Great. Your seat is 24A.
Is that near the window?
Yes. But we must lift your suitcase first.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will leave the suitcase on the platform. B. They will lift the suitcase onto the train. C. They will look for a taxi again. B. They will lift the suitcase onto the train.
1, 2, 3. Lift.
It is heavy, but we did it.
The doors will close soon.
Then I must get on now.
Question. What will probably happen next? A. Emma will miss the train on purpose. B. Emma will board the train and say goodbye to Daniel. C. Daniel will take Emma's interview. B. Emma will board the train and say goodbye to Daniel.
Thank you, Daniel. You saved my morning.
You are welcome. Good luck with your interview.
I will call the office from my seat.
Good idea. Enjoy the journey to Oxford.